How's it going, guys? So today we got a special day. I'm driving up to Eddie and Christine's house. I'm in the Super Duty, and so the reason I'm super excited about this weekend is tomorrow is a countywide swap meet up in the Paso Atascadero area. A lot of Model T, Model A, Model B, and just overall hot rod parts going to be sold. So of course I'm going. I'm picking up a timing gear from a Model B, 1932 Banger engine, as well as some 1940 16x4 wheels. Pretty stoked on that. I'm not too sure what else is going to be sold, but I do have a little cash that I have saved up, so it should be fun. As far as the Model A, I got a Model B distributor on it right now. I just need a few parts to get it running. A few updates on the camera situation. I upgraded. I sold my Sony A7S and bought a Nikon D500. The lens I'm shooting on right now is a Ronin 24mm t1.5. This camera does have a 2.25 crop, so it is a little tight. I'm working on that. I'm probably going to pick up a 10mm soon, so let's stay put. All right, so I'll see you guys in a bit. So check this out. We are currently amidst a rainstorm in Southern California, which is great because previously we were actually just on fire. So you can see there's the sun behind the trees, and it just gets super dark. This is really good, but the problem is I'm buying hot rod parts tomorrow. So I really hope, we get at least a slight drizzle, nothing too chaotic.
I've done no wrong. I take and I give everything I need. This world is dark and perfect for me. Come on, fall softly down, fall softly down, fall softly down, fall softly down, fall softly.
All right, so we just made it. There's some deer over there. We're pulling in now. Don't want to hit their nice new fence. Alright, so it's actually really misty right now, but that's it. We just woke up not too long ago, had some breakfast. Gonna go start up the truck now. I love this because all the leaves start turning orange and it's fall and it's cool. Wow, it's actually really misty. So the first thing I picked up is this Stuart Warner 160 mile an hour speedometer. Nice start, 20 bucks. I got these 500 ply 16s for the front of the Banger mobile.
Stumble out, I cannot find is a path forward, or is a path behind. Street lights dim, can't see my hands. Balance ways, can't hardly stand.
All right, so I went to a few different shops. Didn't really record too much because I was talking a lot, but we did get some good stuff. So this last house I went to, we picked up some some guide headlamps. So they're pretty sick. They match the patina on my Model A, so that should be pretty rad. And then earlier this morning, I picked up, obviously, the Stuart Warner speedometer. Some super rad Firestone 500 by 15 tires. We have some 48 to 52 self-energizing brakes. We got the backing plates and the drums. Obviously they'll need new cylinders and hardware, but that should be pretty rad. For the Banger project, I got a 1932 Model B timing cover. So that allows me to have a base timing of 19 degrees before top dead center. It was a pretty good day. It got really warm. Didn't really rain that much, which is cool. We're gonna go to A-Town, grab a burger, and then I'm gonna be making my way home and should stop by one last hot rod shop.
Day 2.
All right, what's up, guys? So this is day 2. Today I'm gonna be making the bottom flange for my Holly 94 to mount it on my Banger motor. So we're gonna melt down some ingots. I don't have enough cans tonight, so we are just gonna make a small ingot, but let's get started. So you get them going first. Go ahead. Just do it now. Yeah.
72 hours later.
Right. right. Woo!
You're holding the tongue. Okay. I was unaware of what exactly.
I'll lift it. You have some clothes when you toss it. Just toss them in. Yeah.
No, it's good. You had a bunch of them fall under it. You did that.
Everyone calls me a man.
Maybe I'm a madman.
Here, try it.
Actually, Alright, here we go. Shit. No, we gotta do that right now. Don't set it on that!
I know.
Poor setting. Oh no. We promise we aren't. Come here.
Dude, let's see it.
Like, shine it, get it in the light, kind of. Can you reflect the, can I, like, reflect the light? Fuck yeah.